In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the hidden features or tips for using Citymapper effectively. Now, using Citymapper effectively involves more than just planning routes. Here are some of the hidden features and tips making the most out of the app. So for that case, first of all, log in into your account. First thing, you can go and save your favorite location. In order to save your favorite location, you need to go to places or the star icon, and here you can go and select the favorite location. And after that, you can go and select N2, and when you select that, now you can tap the arrow icon and the following location has been added to favorite. This makes it quicker to plan routes to your destination in the future. And after that, when planning a route, you can specify any desired departure time. This allows Citymapper to provide any accurate travel time and transit option based on the real-time data. So if you wish to schedule the date and all that, you can just go and press on the leave now button from the top, and then you can just set a reminder and all that. So that's how it works. Now, apart from it, Citymapper's Explore feature helps you discover nearby points of interest, including restaurant, cafe, attractions, and more. It's handy tool for finding new places to visit in the area as well. And Citymapper offer offline map or for selected cities, allowing you to access route information even when you don't have any internet. You can make sure to download the offline map for your frequently visited city in advance. Otherwise, if you've not downloaded any sort of offline map, then you can also try using the offline feature. So the Citymapper does provide an offline metro map. So when you are offline, you'll be able to see this kind of labeled right at the bottom. I'm going to press on the icon, and here you can see the metro information of your following city. And Citymapper integrates with ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft, allowing you to compare transit option with ride-sharing alternative. This can be useful for a situation when public transportation may not be available or convenient. So for that case, you have to just select the route and destination, and when you do that, you'll be able to find this option as share ride with, and accordingly you can send a message and request to them, and that's how you can share ride on Citymapper. So basically, these are some of the hidden features that's available in Citymapper. By exploring these hidden features and tips, you can maximize your use of Citymapper, streamline your travel experiences in urban environment. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.